You guys, we're done with the last seminar. Okay, so hey, good morning guys. So today is gonna be a really special day because today is our final ever seminar. After this seminar, there'll be no more seminars organized by me. I'll only be speaking in conferences where event organizers invite me. First thing first, we need to go to the gym. That's done. We need to do our reading. That's done too. And now we're gonna deliver our final ever preview seminar. Let's go. We are here at the venue, 1 hour before the speech. Cheers. Because we're here at the seminar room. This is the amount of seats we have. Then we're gonna prepare, get a slide set up, all that. MC getting ready, so mic test. Test 1 2. Testing 1 2. Test 1 2.
Let me see if I can. I'll see whether I can read.
So we got the speaking mic, another set of mic for the video. So I'm gonna upload part of the speech onto YouTube for you to enjoy. So hope you like it. So we are ready to go. Do you think it will be a few minutes, few seconds? One trade a week is more profitable than 50 to 100 trades per day.
She has been speaking in Singapore, overseas, big and small events. Okay, she has her footprints all over. 10x, in case y'all don't know, okay, is for people, okay, who are actually pretty good speakers, motivated speakers. She is one of the invited speakers. She is also being interviewed by medias, newspaper, Channel News Asia, in case y'all don't see the logo over here.
Right now, you're in profit aside from Forex. You guys, we're done with the last seminar. Okay, so journey has been fun. Do I miss this? Not really. Okay, I think there's a lot of people that are confused about what am I stopping, okay? Now in the speaking world, there are two kinds of events. First kind of event is a sales preview event. And normally this kind of sales preview event, it is organized by the speaker. So in this case, the sales preview is organized by me. So I've been doing it for 3 years. 3 years. Then the second type of event is conference events, where conference organizers, they're going to organize the whole entire conference and they're going to invite speakers. That's a completely different thing. You know what I'm saying? I'm stopping my self-organized seminars. I don't need to teach for a living. I'm a full-time trader. That is what I am. Because think about this, okay? Think about this. Does Paul Theo Jones, Warren Buffett have to conduct all these sales preview to convince people to learn from them? Some people might enjoy it, but for the past 3 years, I just realized that, this is just not me, okay? So then if I'm not teaching, then what am I going to do? I'm going to trade full-time, appear once in a while to conference. But tonight's crowd was good, okay? Tonight's crowd was good. The end of something is always the beginning of something new. Agree with me? You guys, last time I brought my parents to live in Marina Bay Sands Hotel. Our next aim Fulton Hotel. Not sponsored, okay? It's not sponsored. Okay, you know what? You know, after doing 3 years of doing all these monthly sales preview every single month, I learned 3 things, okay? The way to sell more courses is to promise easy money, get rich quick. That's why I always tell people I'm not a good seller, because all I talk about is, oh, you need to put in hard work, patience. Then it's like, then when I don't sell anything, on some months I don't sell anything, then people be like, oh, careful, you're a really bad converter or closer. If you follow Dan Lok a lot, he talk about principles of closing more sales. I spend myself spending time learning how to close, learning how to convert, trying to imitate other speakers. I'm like, this is not me. This is just not me. It all just comes down to one thing, okay? My hair's a kid. Number 1, don't do things that you're not passionate about. Number 2, don't copy other people. Now, it's my mistake because I'm young. I need role models to look at. Veteran speakers, they are doing this, so I must do it too. Third thing I learned, you gotta be willing to experiment. Gotta be willing to experiment to find out, you know, what is it that you like, what is it that you don't like, and then follow your gut feeling. That's the most important thing. Because if every single time you do it, you just don't like it, then it's not you, my friend. I'll still be on YouTube, okay? I'll try to give you as much tips as I can. And also the other thing is that I'm still gonna speak at conferences, but at most I'm gonna speak for 1 hour. Then that's it. Because you know what, when you become successful, you have choice. Because I know people somewhere in this world who sell signals for a living, sell courses for a living, but do they actually trade? You decide. And guys, remember that I don't sell signal, okay? By the way, go to kfc.com, KM Food Charts. Talk to you in the next video. Bye.